How to fix failed to load earlier messages on Instagram. So if the earlier messages are failing to load on Instagram, right? So whenever you open Instagram, you have an old chat history with someone, and no matter how old the chat is, you might not be able to scroll all the way to the very top of the screen. The first thing you want to do is make sure to check your internet connection and make sure you have a reliable internet connection, because if you have quite a long chat history, it requires a good internet connection to show up all of those. Second of all, just refresh the Instagram app, or even better, close the Instagram app completely and just go ahead and reopen it and go to that particular chat page, go to that particular chat also, and just scroll all the way to the very top of the screen. Then when you scroll all the way, you should be able to wait a couple of seconds and load all those messages. If not, you can try to uninstall the Instagram app and reinstall it, and also go to your Play Store or App Store to maybe update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.